If you're choosing between Krita and Ibis Paint X, this isn't just drawing app versus drawing app. It's professional digital art versus mobile convenience. So which drawing app is actually better? Let's break it down. Krita is built for serious digital artists. It offers advanced brush engines, animation tools, layer management, color controls, and professional-grade painting features. Many artists compare it to paid desktop software, except it's completely free and open source. But here's the catch. It has a steeper learning curve and works best on a desktop or drawing tablet setup. Ibis Paint X takes the opposite approach. It's designed primarily for phones and tablets, making it easy to sketch, draw, and edit artwork anywhere. It also includes a huge brush library, drawing tutorials, and social features that make it especially popular with beginners and hobby artists. The downside is that it doesn't offer the same depth of professional tools as Krita. So which drawing app is better? Choose Krita if you want professional-grade painting, animation, and advanced creative tools. Choose Ibis Paint X if you want a convenient, beginner-friendly app for drawing on phones and tablets. Bottom line, Krita is the better drawing app overall because it offers far more power, flexibility, and professional features. But if you primarily draw on a phone or tablet and want something easy to use, Ibis Paint X is one of the best mobile drawing apps available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.